Investing in new windows is a smart move for homeowners in Washington. They boost energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. But to ensure those benefits last, proper window maintenance after installation is essential. Washington's climate, with its mix of rainy winters, humid springs, and bright summers, can affect your windows if they're not regularly cared for. Here's a guide to help you protect your investment and keep your windows in top shape year-round. Start with a thorough post-installation inspection. Once your windows have been professionally installed, take time to inspect each one closely. Even with expert installers, it's wise to check that the seals are tight and intact, locks and hardware function smoothly, there are no gaps around the frame or sill, windows open and close without resistance. Keep any warranty or care documentation provided by your installer. This ensures you understand maintenance recommendations specific to your window type, whether they're vinyl, wood, composite, or aluminum. Clean windows regularly to maintain clarity and appeal. Washington's environment brings dust, pollen, rainwater, and coastal air, all of which can leave film or residue on glass surfaces. Aim to clean your windows inside and out every 3 to 6 months, especially after heavy rain or pollen season. Cleaning tips. Use a soft cloth or sponge with a mixture of mild soap and water. Avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia or abrasive tools that can scratch glass or damage frames. Dry with a lint-free cloth or squeegee to prevent streaks. Clean window tracks and sills to prevent buildup that may affect operation. For multi-pane or high windows, consider hiring a local window cleaning service for safety and efficiency. Inspect and maintain seals and caulking. Washington's frequent moisture and temperature fluctuations can cause seals and caulking around windows to deteriorate over time. Poor seals can lead to air leaks, drafts, and water intrusion, reducing energy efficiency and leading to potential damage. Every spring and fall, inspect caulking around the window frame and sill. Look for gaps, cracks, or signs of mold or mildew. Reapply waterproof, exterior-grade caulk as needed. Well-maintained seals ensure your home stays warm in winter and cool in summer without wasting energy. Check for moisture or condensation. If you notice condensation between double or triple pane windows, it may indicate a seal failure, allowing moisture to penetrate the window unit. This can reduce insulation performance and lead to foggy glass. Regularly check for condensation inside the pane, moisture or discoloration around the frame or trim, mold or mildew on sills. If detected early, a window professional may be able to reseal or repair the unit before full replacement is necessary. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. Sliding, casement, and awning windows all have moving parts like hinges, cranks, and locks that need occasional lubrication to function properly. Once or twice a year, clean out window tracks and hardware. Apply silicone-based lubricant, not oil-based, to moving components. Test all windows to ensure they open, close, and lock smoothly. This not only improves functionality but also extends the life of the hardware and protects against rust or corrosion. Protect frames from Washington's climate. Different frame materials require different care. Wood, Paint or seal wood frames regularly to prevent moisture damage or rot. Vinyl. Clean with mild detergent and inspect for warping or discoloration. Aluminum. Wipe down to prevent oxidation and clean weep holes to drain water. Composite. Low maintenance, but still benefits from routine cleaning and inspection. Final thoughts. Preserve your investment with simple upkeep. Proper window maintenance doesn't have to be complicated. With a little seasonal attention, you'll enjoy the full benefits of your new windows, including energy savings, comfort, and long-lasting beauty. By taking these simple steps, Washington homeowners can ensure their windows remain a strong, attractive part of their home for decades. If you're unsure about any part of your window care routine, consult a local window professional for expert guidance tailored to your window type and the Pacific Northwest climate.